Hey everyone, this is Yami, your Latina next door, and I am back with episode 2 of my Master Bedroom Makeover. These are just a couple of pictures of what the master bedroom looked like when we moved in. Now, if you haven't seen episode 1, I'll go ahead and put it in the cards above. That way you guys can check it out and see what I do whenever I start designing a new room. You'll also get to see how I'm going to lay out the floor plan as well. Now, before I start on this episode, please make sure to subscribe if you want to continue seeing these episodes and see what I do to my master bedroom. Okay, now let's get started. Now, onto the design board. You don't have to have a fancy program or anything like that. All you have to do is either get things out of your magazines and just basically rip them out and put them on a bulletin board or put them on a poster board. If you want to take the extra step, kind of like I do, I go to Canva online and it's completely free. And all you got to do is basically upload any images that you see on the internet or anywhere that you got inspiration, like Pinterest. And you upload those images here on the left and you just drag them over on the right. And this actual bed looks very similar to the one that I have, and it's in the same color and everything. So what I do is I start with my color that I'm going to use for my walls. And then I put my bed in there because I know that regardless, my bed's going to look like that. And then I kind of start playing off of different things and ideas that I kind of see online, and I start kind of bringing it in. As I mentioned before, here's that shiplap that I was talking about. Because I have white furniture, I wanted it to be nice and a little bit more rustic and more beachy. So I thought, why not make it or leave it in a wood natural tone? And that's kind of what I put up on my design board. I love greenery and I love me some fiddly figs. So I knew that I wanted to get some kind of greenery in here. It doesn't have to be real because most of the time I kill them. So, however I find it, it's good for me, but I always think that greenery in a bedroom looks really nice. And again, here are these nice flowy curtains, kind of remind you of the beach, like the air, blowing through your window. I wanted it to stay nice and airy. I know that most people like their bedrooms dark because they like to sleep in the dark, but I don't. I actually prefer to wake up with the sun. If the sun is streaming through my bedroom windows and it causes me to wake up naturally, like I absolutely love that. I love the light streaming in the morning. It does not bother me at all. And my husband has gotten used to it. He would rather have a dark room, but hey, I'm the designer, so I get to pick. So I knew I wanted nice sheer curtains like this to go on my window, so I put that on my design board. I love blue glass. Again, it reminds me of the beach. And I also know I want extra storage at the foot of my bed because first of all, we have the space for it. And just be nice to have something with a little bit more storage for my either throw pillows or extra blankets. It's just nice to have them all there. And then again, I mentioned in that video earlier that I wanted like a nice seating chair, and I put something of what I would honestly like to have, not necessarily could get, because these are actually pretty expensive. But again, it's the wicker, it brings the outdoors in, that perfect marriage between rustic and coastal. And again, I told you guys about that stain on the rug, and I want to have a nice area rug. I've been eyeing this one for the longest time, so I put it on my design board, and I actually already had these lamps that you see right here. So it's very simple, very easy. Basically, you just start bringing things in that you like and see online and kind of put it on a board together to see how they coordinate and how they look well together. If you see that something is kind of off and doesn't go, well, then you just pick it up and take it out. But this actually looks pretty good and I'm pretty happy with it, and this is kind of the direction that I'm going to take. I also, I didn't mention this, but I also love these beautiful carved art pieces. And I think it would be nice to have something over the bed and on top of that wood wall. So I kind of put this in here to give me some kind of inspiration to get something above my bed. But this is kind of the direction that I wanted to go in when it came to my master bedroom, and I kind of put this on here and saved it so that I can, whenever I'm out and about shopping or, running errands and stuff, if I come across something that's a good deal, I already have that in mind. Alright, you guys, that was it for episode 2. In the next episode, I'm going to show you guys what it's really going to take to see that design through. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you guys want to continue checking out what we will be doing with our master bedroom. If you have any questions, please make sure to list them in the comments below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, adios!